Let's start off by adding 10 seedless dates into a bowl. Followed by 15 almonds and 10 whole cashews. You can also add other dry fruits that are suitable like dry figs, unsalted pistas, etc. Now into a bowl add a cup of warm or hot milk. This is around 150 ml. Mix it and let this soak for 30 minutes. You can also add cold milk, but it takes more time for soaking. Keep this aside and now into a bowl with some water add half a teaspoon of basil seeds, commonly called sabja seeds in India. Stir it and let it sit for 3 to 4 minutes. The seeds swell up and become jellyish. After 30 minutes, take a blender and into it add the soaked nuts along with the milk. Also add half a liter of cold milk, close the lid and blend. The nuts have to be powdered properly. Take the serving glasses and add some of the soaked basil seeds into it. I've had 2 teaspoons in each glass. Then pour in the blended milkshake. Give it a quick stir. I did not add any sweetener as the dates already have some amount of sweetness in it, and also it becomes a healthier drink. You can check the taste and add the sweetener of your choice if you want to. The quantity is enough to be served for 3. You can garnish the drink with chopped almonds or the nuts of your choice. Your healthy dry fruit milkshake is now ready to be served. Enjoy!